Now, what is the difference between Ansible and Ansible Tower? So Ansible is actually an open source version which is available there, but Ansible Tower is an enterprise tool which comes up an additional cost. Now, ultimately, Ansible Tower also giving us the same core features, but what is the difference? The difference is it actually comes with a more controlled interface which is available. Ansible is a command line interface, but Ansible Tower is a GUI interface, which also comes with the scheduling. You have a scheduling feature that you can schedule the deploys. You don't need a Jenkins as such separately. You can have the particular scheduling done there. Ansible command line is something which is not coming up with any role based connectivity. You can access, you can run it, and you will be given the admin access. But if you want to have a role based access, like some developers may have the read access, someone may have admin access. So that kind of benefit is also what we are getting here. Plus graphical inventory management. So in command line, we are managing these inventories all manually, but this is all graphical inventories which we have got over here in this one. So that's and another benefit which you're going to get over here in this case. So these are the two plugins, Ansible and Ansible Tar, which is there. So we have to install these two plugins. If you're not using the Ansible Tar, then you don't need to have that plugin. Ansible plugin alone will help you to run the ad hoc commands in the playbook files there.